Folks, the fog continues to get thicker. This is the view we showed you just a few minutes ago from our studios in Weslaco, and you can barely see the headlights down on the road below. That's the expressway right down below us. Can't see any of the shops across the highway. It's getting thick in a hurry, and dense fog already across much of the valley. Dense fog advisory in effect at the coast. Visibilities are down to, for the most part, a half a mile or less in some places. Let's look at the satellite over the area today, and you see low clouds underneath here. The gray stuff you can barely see, and then some high clouds getting mixed in with the batch, and they're going to be thick all night long and into tomorrow morning as well. And that fog likely to linger at the coast through about noon. Inland, probably 9 or 10 o'clock, it'll burn off. We might see some late day sunshine. I think it's going to be a mainly cloudy day. The clouds thin out just a little bit. Sky brightens late in the day. Southerly wind kind of mixes the dry air that's up above down here to the surface. And when you do that, you get a little bit of sunshine, but probably not a lot. And once things go calm again tomorrow night, the clouds thicken up again. We'll see a little patchy fog again. Then Thursday, we do it all over again. The winds mix out the moisture, bring some drier air down from aloft. We end up with partly sunny skies again. We do the same thing all over again on Friday. We start with clouds, and then we get some sunshine as we make our way into the afternoon. Here's a look at our rain chances. We see just some light stuff tomorrow morning. That's about it. Now, if there's fog Thursday and Friday morning, which is a possibility, there could be some mist mixed in, but certainly no measurable rainfall expected after the light stuff late tonight and early tomorrow. These are the current temperatures. They have not moved since I got to work this afternoon. We're all in the mid-50s. If temperatures go anywhere tonight, it will be up, not down, as the southeasterly wind eventually kicks back in and brings temperatures up just a notch, but it certainly adds more humidity to the atmosphere as that flow comes back in off the Gulf of Mexico. With the southerly flow, tomorrow temperatures will begin to warm back up. We're back in the 70s tomorrow afternoon, so a bump up of about 20 degrees from where we were this afternoon. That's a big warm up from one day to the next. Tomorrow looks like a terrific day across the area, but it will start when you wake up with low clouds, drizzle, and fog. As the day goes on, it should burn off and temperatures will warm up. Look at Thursday and Friday, even warmer, 83 and 86 degrees, well above the seasonal norm. Across Texas, these are the currents: 40s in the middle part of the state, 50s in South Texas, 60s and even 70 out in West Texas. That's where they saw some sunshine today, but now high clouds are beginning to take over even out there. Warm front to the south moves back through tomorrow and eventually moves northward, bringing warmer air up into South Texas. The model's still at odds about whether this next front actually pushes through. The European model says no. The U.S. model says yes, but even the U.S. model that pushes the front all the way through says temperatures only drop about 10 degrees, not 20 or 30 like what the models were suggesting a couple of days ago. Hey, if you're headed to the coast, again, dense fog advisory in effect, cloudy with drizzle. Temperatures tomorrow back in the low 60s, a low risk of rip currents. Southeast winds tomorrow, a smooth bay. UV index, of course, is low. The sea is about 2 to 4 feet. So tonight, 58 for your low, clouds, drizzle, fog, and that's the low. Technically, the low's already happened. Temperatures are going to go up overnight. Then tomorrow, 76. Fog, clouds in the morning, warm in the afternoon. The clouds may thin a bit and brighten during the afternoon with temperatures warming back up. 83 on Thursday, 86 on Friday. Right now, we're holding in the 70s for the weekend. If the European model is right, the front doesn't get here, we could push Saturday and Sunday up into the 80s as well. Monday and Tuesday, regardless, I think we'll recover back into the 80s. And even if the front does go through, it won't be a whole lot cooler than that. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.